people turn to fad diets and extreme methods to lose weight. However, a simple and nutritious choice is sometimes ignored, that is bananas. Bananas, which are high in vital nutrients and natural sugars, can be a helpful friend on your weight loss journey. Let's explore the numerous benefits that bananas offer for shedding those extra pounds. Number 1. Low-calorie powerhouse. Bananas are a low-calorie fruit, which makes them perfect choice for a weight-conscious individual. With approximately 100 calories per medium-sized banana, they provide a satisfying nutritional snack without sabotaging your calorie intake. Number 2. Bananas boosts metabolism. Yes, bananas contain vitamin B6, which is vital for a well-functioning metabolism. A healthy metabolism is a key for efficient calorie burning and weight management. Number 3. Curbs cravings. The combination of a natural sugar and dietary fiber in the banana can help satisfy your sweet cravings. When you're tempted to reach out for some sugary snack, a banana can be a tasty and nutritious alternative. In conclusion, we can say that bananas offer a wide range of benefits and that can aid your weight loss journey. By enjoying bananas regularly, you can fuel your body, satisfy your cravings, and support your weight loss goals in a delicious and nutritious way. Hope you like this video. For more health-related content, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.